2022 is coming with huge opportunities. And as 2022 is approaching, I think most of you have thought about setting goals and resolution for new coming year. Also considering tremendous growth of data science in 2021, I guarantee you have considered adding data science to your list of goals as well. Am I right? So, are you interested in learning about one of the hottest career fields? Are you interested in discovering and unlocking the power of data? Well, this video will be discussing 5 such amazing websites which will help you learn data science from beginner to expert level in 2022. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Before starting, I just wanted to let you know that this is not a promotion of any website. I'm just sharing these resources which I have personally used and explored in my data science journey. So, talking about the first website, the website which I talk about frequently is Kaggle. Kaggle is a website that has contributed a lot in my data science learning journey. It's a subsidiary of Google LLC and is an online community of data scientists and machine learning practitioners all over the world. So let's explore the website and see what it has to offer us. So let's see what Kaggle has to offer us. What Kaggle has to specially offer for beginners in data science starting in 2022. So there are n number of sections in Kaggle. You can see competitions, data sets, codes, discussions, courses. So as a beginner, I would recommend to jump on this courses section. Now in this courses section, you can find n number of courses covering spectrum of data science skills. Like for example, introduction to machine learning, deep learning, Python, pandas, data visualization, SQL, computer vision, time series, and n number of courses right from beginner to expert level, so that you can gain your usable skills in just few hours. And the best thing is, once you complete these courses, you can also earn free certificates. After this courses section, you can directly jump towards the dataset section. So what actually data science is all about? It's about dealing with data. How you can deal the data, how you can process the data, how you can clean the data, how you can create a generalized data science model or machine learning model out of it. It's all about dealing with data. So this dataset section provides you n number of datasets which you can use it for experimenting with your data science skills. So let's say for example you started with hard failure prediction datasets. This is one of the very beginner level dataset available, and there are beginner to expert level datasets available here. Now every dataset you click, you can find the description of data, you can find context, attribute information, and n number of things. And also you can find the preview of the data available over here. So let's say you are a complete beginner and you don't know how to deal with data. You can just simply click on this code section. Here you can find number of people how they have approached this particular data set. Now there are solutions right from beginner to expert level. What approach I used to use, I used to create new notebook, and whatever skills I have learned in my courses, I used to apply that particular skills here. So let's say I got a doubt in data visualization. How can I visualize this particular data set? So I used to simply click data visualization. I used to type data visualization here, and this used to give me all the notebooks which have used data visualization using this data set. So let's say I click on this particular notebook. So you can find how this person has actually deal with this particular data set. You can find a complete solution with the code which you can apply in your notebook as well, and you can learn a lot of things from it. So you can see there are n number of data visualizations this person have used. As you can see, he has used n number of visualizations which I wanted, and the best thing is he has also provided the code. So what we can do is we can just copy paste this particular code, understand the code and copy and use this in your notebook. And when you use the next new data set, you can experiment with the values of this particular code, and this is how you can learn n number of things. So you can see this is just one approach. You can just learn from hundreds of approach. So this is how you will actually learn. The more you deal with n number of data sets, the number of approaches, the number of pre-processing visualization techniques, the model buildings, the techniques you will use, the more you apply, the more you learn. So coming towards the next section, the discussion section. Now let's say you're dealing with something and you just got a doubt. You can just ask in this getting started section, considering you are a beginner. You can just ask your silly doubts over here, and you will be surprised to see within a day or two your doubt will be completely cleared. The best thing over here is Kaggle community is really very helpful. People will be there to help you all around the world. So you can also learn from the discussion section across the Kaggle. You can filter down the topics such as data visualization, computer vision, and a number of topics. And the last section is competition section. You can take a part in competition. The competition which you're seeing here are a bit difficult, but if you're a beginner, you can click on this getting started section. There are competitions specially curated for beginners, so you can just give you a shot. Well, this was all regarding Kaggle and how you can benefit from this website. This was just a brief introduction about Kaggle, and I have dedicated in detail video for beginners to use Kaggle right from creating your first notebook towards dealing with your first competition. I'll be mentioning the link at the end of this video, so don't forget to watch it later. Another amazing website we'll be talking about is especially for beginners and someone new to data science is Analytics Vidhya. This website is very well known, especially for their super amazing blogs and interesting hackathons. I participated in more than 15 hackathons conducted by Analytics Vidhya, and their blogs are super rich source of data science knowledge. Analytics Vidhya is basically a community of analytics and data science professionals, and they also offer a number of resources developed by the experts so that you master your skills with latest data science problems and showcase your skills to the world. Coming towards the one of the best thing which Analytics Vidhya offer is blogs. It's a complete package of all the requirements which any fresher would ever need to build his or her career in data science. There are around 1,000 plus blogs, and they continuously add dozens every week. You can find blogs from experts on spectrum of topics, right from how to begin with data science from scratch towards some advanced AI ML topics. Now, once you got expert in this field, you can even write blogs for them and participate in blogathons, which simply is competition for the best performing blogs. Secondly, similar like Kaggle, Analytics Vidhya also provides free and paid master courses, which you should have a look. But let me tell you that the free courses are very sufficient to start with your analytics journey. You can find courses on machine learning from scratch, Python, business analytics, natural language processing, and whatnot. And in future, if you really want to propel your career in data science, they also offer paid master programs and AI/ML black belt program, which has some really good reviews. And finally, the thing which fascinates me about Analytics Vidhya is their hackathons. I've participated in many and learned a lot from hackathons. The beauty is, in those hackathons conducted, you won't find very difficult problem statements. The problem statements are so designed that everyone from beginner to expert level can participate and fight for the ranks. The best part is, when we compete in hackathons, the learning gets exponential. We learn from experimenting with our own solutions posted by the experts, different approaches to deal with the same problem in many such things. They also conduct the hiring hackathons through which companies can directly interview you, where selection criteria is your ranks. Thirdly, talking about another beautiful website is Machine Learning Mastery. It's an online community that offers support and training to help get started and get really good at machine learning. The best thing here is every blog or every post contains dedicated understanding of the concept. They provide number of practical examples which help us understand the concept in one go. So when you are on their website, you can find n number of sections such as getting started, blogs, topics, where you can filter down by the specific topics, ebooks, FAQ, about and contact. So this getting started section is actually curated to give you some specific path, and also you can find that the content has been segregated by foundation section, beginner section, intermediate and advanced. Now, the beautiful thing about this website which I felt is you will get as a beginner a step-by-step approach of each and everything they have given. So let's say you are very done with the basics and now you're interested to understand ML algorithms. So when you click on this, it will give you step-by-step approach. So let's say step 1 will be discover of different types of ML algorithms, in which they have given a tour of each of the machine learning algorithms available. Step 2 will be discover the foundation of ML algorithms. So how each of the algorithm was formed, what was the mathematics behind it, and very basic concepts are explained over here. And the step 3 will be discovering how top machine learning algorithms work. So let's say you click on this tour of ML algorithms. Now on this page you can find each of the details of Now on this page you can find details of each and every algorithms in detail. You can see the algorithms such as supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised learning, what are they. Then in supervised learning we can find explanation about regression, instance-based algorithms, and n number of details available here. So this is how, as a beginner, for each of the topic you have chosen, they will be giving you step-by-step guide and in detail explanation of all of them. Now you saw some theoretical explanation, but in most of the topics they also give some hands-on explanation, which is really beneficial. Now comes the website where I've learned around 60% of data science stuff is YouTube. Of course, a fantastic platform to learn about machine learning and data science. Now the difference between any course and YouTube is, in course you will be getting everything served on your plate and you just need to consume that knowledge. But let me tell you, considering YouTube for data science, it's a vast ocean of knowledge. Here you need to connect the dots. It takes effort, but I guarantee you'll learn much more than any other course. Just binge watch some amazing playlists that will inspire and teach you practical knowledge and implement in that particular field. Some of my personal recommendations which I learned are Krishnai, Code Basics, Sendex, 3 Blue 1 Brown, Tech with Tim, and many more. These are some of the best YouTube channels to check out for brilliant in-depth explanations and understanding concepts much better. And to mention here, even I am a small fish in this ocean. If you ever got any value addition from my videos, please mind subscribing my channel. Thanks in advance. Well, these are few amazing websites which you can refer to learn data science for free in next year, that is 2022. Frankly, there are many such websites out there, but these are like best of best to learn data science, especially for very beginners in this field. Anyways, this was all from my side. If you like this video, please do hit that like button and subscribe my channel for more such awesome stuff delivered every week. So signing off for today, stay safe, take care, and thank you so much for watching.